Just looking.
Huh?
Just looking.
Why take pictures?
Just looking.
What? Can you tell me?
Just looking.
No, you can't. Regarding what? Who are you guys? Who are you? Why take pictures?
We're just looking.
Why looking?
I'm just looking.
No, you don't look. Who are you guys? Why not? Why? Who are you? Who are you? I'm the owner. I have a right to ask, you know? Yeah, I can't touch it. Why?
We're just looking.
You're not looking, take picture.
He doesn't get it, man. That's a cool shop, though. This is like an engineering place. Making stuff, or what is that? Some kind of engineering, so they make stuff. Got the morning coffee right there. Uh-oh.
Here, tell me why you take pictures? Video?
Just looking.
No, you're looking at my property. Okay? Can you say why you do that?
Just checking it out.
Why check out?
Looking.
No, it's my property.
It's interesting.
No, it's not interesting.
It's not?
No. I have things over there. You don't wanna. I don't want you to take pictures.
I mean, you're right next to a public road, man. I don't understand.
Yeah, I know, but yeah, why you take it?
There's a public road anybody could see.
Yeah.
You're not hiding anything. You got your doors open.
But you have to explain.
I don't have to explain anything, man. If I wanna see something in there, I can look. Nothing wrong with that.
No.
It's not illegal.
Okay, it's not legal.
All right.
Who you are?
What?
Who you are?
Who are you?
I'm the owner. How about you?
I'm the camera guy.
From what? From where?
From what do you mean?
For who you are?
I'm self-employed, dude.
Yeah, but it's you have to have a reason why you come here.
There is a reason. I told you. I already told you what the reason was.
How about you?
No picture.
Hmm?
No picture.
No, you took a picture of me.
No, don't do it.
Yeah, I do.
No.
Yes, I do.
No.
Why you take picture of me?
No.
You take picture of me, I take picture of you?
No.
I can't.
No. You don't have a contract. I have a contract.
Yeah, I don't have contract here.
Oh, yes, I do.
No.
Yes, I do.
That's my property. I can do everything what I want. The way
Bro,
it's set.
My daddy said
just
I can be right here.
continue your business, man.
No, I don't
Just
want
continue. You're good.
No, I just want to see why you do this.
I was gonna be here another couple minutes, and I was gonna leave.
I don't care. I want to. I'll have. You have a video. I have video. You know.
You're becoming the story. You're the story now, man.
You become a story too. If somebody comes and take a picture of my property without any reason.
I would leave him alone, right?
No.
I would leave him alone.
No, I don't. I want to know.
As long as I'm not on your property.
Yeah, I'm on my property. I can do everything I want the way you said.
That's true.
Okay?
This guy's still talking to River. Uh-oh, this guy's on the phone. This guy's on the phone now.
Hey man, it's okay. Just go back inside. Go back inside, man.
You're good.
Wait, tell me what to do, man.
Continue working.
No, I'm doing what I wanted to.
Punch the clock in.
No, I don't punch the clock. I'm the owner.
Punch the clock 9 to 5, and you're good.
What's he asking to do?
For me to go inside and work.
Yeah, get back to work.
What's this one?
Yeah, you can call 911. You can call San Antonio dispatch.
Don't call 911.
We gotta go. Oh,
Don't call 911. Don't call the cops.
Yeah, okay. What's this one too?
I'm not there, Dad. I can't tell you in there and ask you questions. I can't answer.
Okay.
Don't call the cops, dude.
Alright.
This isn't an emergency, man. Don't call the cops.
Hey, I'm distracted. I work to work. You know, it's not the right.
You hear that? They're working, man.
I hear work going on in there.
But it's not your business.
You know what? You're not working, man. You're not working. You need to go back to work.
You're stealing time right now.
I don't steal your time. I have my time. I get paid when I want.
You're on the clock, dude.
I'm not on a clock.
I hear work going on.
They're grinding something. There's some kind of metal on metal contact going on.
Poor man over there.
You know?
Working.
You're filming me. I like it.
You like it?
Like it.
Hell yeah, that's what's up, dude. Fist bump? Fist bump or what?
Just tell me why you do this.
I told you already. I told you 5 times. We're looking. We're checking it out. And then once you approach us, you become the story.
Can you give me my home address to go to film your house?
No, I said
Sure.
let me see your email. Let me have your email.
No, you came and
You want my home address?
buy everything.
Everything? All my info?
Find you.
Tell you what, give me your info first, and then I'll give you mine.
No, I don't.
Oh, okay, well, I
You
don't...
came here and I didn't came to your house.
Hey,
I'll email to Arabic. I'll email it to you.
Yeah.
Arabic.
Yeah,
Yeah.
email.
there we go. Open.
Hey, close it. Close it!
It's closed. It's closed now. Dang it. He's got a camera, dude.
They're nice guys. I tell you.
Wait.
Hey. Yeah, good.
You got it?
What's your name?
You need light?
Yeah.
My name is Candice.
Yeah? From where? Ce faci aici, mă? N-ai de lucru acasă?
Candice, spit in your asshole.
Aveți împrăște o cameră și nu știu cum să...
He's speaking a different language. I don't understand it.
Ce limbă știi tu să vorbești?
Shalom Mahala.
Yeah. Oh, deci tu ești ăla care... Oh, I know right now.
Dude,
That's your party over there. There's the marijuana place.
Whoa, no, we don't
This
know
is
any.
why you...
I don't know what marijuana is.
Yeah, I know.
What is
You're
marijuana?
Palestinian or somewhere, and you want to film. Yeah,
Are you?
filming.
Oh, damn.
Okay.
He figured it out. Dang it, dude. All right, so we'll leave. We'll leave, dude. Sorry.
No,
Hey, what's your name?
tell me your name.
Just give me your info, dude, and
My
we'll
name
be.
is John. What's your name?
You name it. What name you want it?
Oh, okay. George. I'll call you
George
George.
is fine.
George.
Jorge?
How about you?
Huh?
No, I don't speak Spanish.
Okay.
Surely.
I'll call you Jose.
No, that's Spanish name.
No, I'll call you Jose.
Alarm. Is that an alarm or a phone?
Jose, your son is calling.
Did you set an alarm?
You want to film them? No.
I did. We're good. I film everyone.